what's up? Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell up above for future uploads, and check out the links posted in the description down below to support the channel. Thank you. So what I want to do in today's video is to show you how to hide the taskbar in your videos going forward. It was something that I learned after a while, which was to hide the taskbar in the videos. I think it looks a little bit more professional, and I think it just looks better with the video, personally myself. Now you might be someone that's very happy to have the taskbar in your video, and that's absolutely fine, but obviously if you're watching this video, you're looking to remove it from your future recordings. So here I am in the OBS studio, and what you need to do is you need to go over to display capture, you need to right click that, you need to go up to transform, you go into edit transform, and what I've done is I've looked at the bottom here and I've gone to 58. I've then clicked up here and then I've gone to stretch to bounds, and then you close that, and then you're able to record a video without any taskbar below. So anyway, I thought I'd share this information on. I thought it was really important for me to know for the videos going forward, because they look a lot better, and maybe this is information that might help you out. I'd really appreciate it if you like, share, subscribe, hit a comment below in the comment box below and let me know that this helped you out, and if you're going to use it in the future for your videos going forward like I did, and I will. Talk to you later.